Reproducible science depends upon the ability to capture the knowledge used to do a scientific analysis. We can capture the domain knowledge in data sets and workflows, and then share the data sets and workflows with other researchers who can then verify the result. This video demonstrates the capturing of knowledge associated with an ecohydrology analysis based on research within the EarthCube Layered Architecture Concept Award. The reproducible science is enabled by the DataNet Federation Consortium infrastructure. The underlying data management technology is the Integrated Rule-Oriented Data System, IRODS. Traditionally, ecohydrology modelers prepare the necessary input data using a series of data processing tools that are orchestrated manually. The choice of sources for the input data sets and the choice of data processing tools constitute domain knowledge that can be organized into a series of processing steps called a workflow. These manual workflows vary significantly between research labs and across models and are documented in non-standard ways. To support more shareable and reproducible ecohydrology science going forward, modelers need to adopt more automated modeling workflows that capture provenance information. We want to capture the entire sequence of processing steps, including retrieval of input data from multiple federal agencies, conversion of the data to a world file coordinate system, and then execution of a hydrology analysis. If each of these steps can be automated, a researcher can greatly decrease the amount of time needed to do an analysis, leaving more time for scientific analysis and synthesis. By sharing the workflow, another researcher can re-execute the analysis and verify the result. In this example, data are retrieved from the EPA, NASA, U.S. Department of Agriculture, Department of Transportation, USGS, and NOAA. The knowledge required to execute either the data retrieval or data transformation is captured in a workflow component called a microservice that can be shared with other researchers. The EarthCube Layered Architecture Group is developing an ecohydrology data preparation workflow architecture. This architecture provides a set of common tools that are capable of transforming raw data into generic data formats usable by a variety of ecohydrology models. Each data source may require a different type of access mechanism and a different set of tools for parsing the data. Tools are applied to project the data to the variables and region of interest and then convert to the coordinate system used by the analysis model. Each step is implemented as a separate microservice invocation that is linked by the analysis workflow. Capturing the domain knowledge used within a project and sharing the knowledge with other researchers is a form of reproducible science. A project can create a local collection, then share the data and analysis with other researchers, formalize the processing in a processing pipeline, publish results in a digital library, and create a reference collection for use by future researchers. The domain knowledge can be shared through federation with other projects and applied by students on live research collections. The reproducible science makes it possible for future researchers to build upon prior knowledge.